Bombshell claims from a military whistleblower.
David Grush.
David Grush. David Grush.
Former Pentagon official David Grush
claims he's viewed evidence of the UFO crash retrieval program.
The UAP task force has refused access to a broad crash retrieval program.
So you're vouching for this guy?
What incentive would so many people with that kind of qualification have to come forward and make something up?
Secrets he says no one has ever shared publicly before.
These are retrieving non-human origin technical vehicles, call it spacecraft if you will, non-human, exotic origin.
Non-human origin.
So you would think things like actually having alien bodies would be much more significant evidence of there being aliens.
No evidence has been presented at all.
I don't want to be proven wrong about aliens.
What is there to these claims that have been made?
If you're following stuff about aliens and about UFOs and what U.S. lawmakers are saying about all of this, things are very confusing right now.
Are we alone? And if we were not, would you even tell us?
I would refer that question to the Department of Defense and let them answer that question for you. Go ahead.
We have spacecraft from another species.
We do, yeah.
Alien spacecrafts. Certainly interesting.